Hi, my name is Konstantin Richter. I'm the CEO and founder of Blockdaemon.
Hi, my name is Alex Wern. I'm the co-founder and CEO of IDEX.
Hi, my name is Adi Seidman and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Props.
Hello, my name is Carlos Domingo and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Securitize.
So Blockdaemon is a infrastructure as a service company is one way to describe it. Another one is, we're a middleware tooling provider that allows developers to deploy blockchain nodes in a few clicks. We are the only self-provisioned deployment platform in the space. And so you can go to our website, blockdaemon.com, and deploy 70 different node types across 30 different protocols, across 100 different data centers around the world. And then we offer certain degrees and integrations on top of that, starting from validator nodes, and then moving upwards to full nodes, share nodes, APIs, as well as individual scripts and deployments to aid the functionality of blockchain nodes.
IDEX is the most used decentralized application in history with over 400,000 customers. We're focused on creating the most user-friendly decentralized exchange possible, an exchange where users don't have to compromise on performance or security.
Props is a blockchain infrastructure and token that enables apps to issue their loyalty tokens to their users. We have over 4.5 million Props token holders and counting. We initiated the Props project on Ethereum, and early on we deployed a sidechain to scale and process our tens of thousands of transactions per hour.
Securitize is a company that was founded in November 2017 with the goal of digitizing the world's assets using blockchain technology. We're focusing on securities. These are regulated instruments that, especially in the private market, are very poorly digitized, and we very early on recognized blockchain as kind of like a very good platform for digitizing securities, because you can basically provide proof of ownership, you can introduce compliance rules around private securities, which are very complex, and you can then facilitate asset servicing, liquidity, etc. We started with our own project first. It's a venture capital firm called Spice VC. That was one of the first tokenized VC funds where we issue basically the securities representing the LP interest on the fund on the blockchain. And then subsequently, we basically spun out the technology we have developed for ourselves and created Securitize. We've been in business for over 2 years, getting to third one soon. We have been, we're close to 100 customers already. We've issued many securities on the blockchain, and like most people in this ecosystem, we basically started with the public Ethereum blockchain. That's where most of these projects start. And we very early on started suffering some of the problems of the public Ethereum blockchain in terms of performance, cost variability, etc. That make it very difficult to basically run a business there of the scale of the business that we're getting into.
We got excited about Algorand, very early on in its journey. Algorand is a fascinating blockchain technically. There's really two components to it that we found very exciting. One was the ability to have decentralization and enormous amounts of throughput, which is one of the key challenges that blockchains have. So the more decentralized you normally are, the less functional the infrastructure in itself becomes. And Algorand has some really interesting technological systems and solutions to deal with that particular challenge. And secondary is the cryptography, which is unique and brings some wonderful security components to Algorand. And thus, it's actually a great chain to deploy commercial viable solutions onto, because it does handle a lot of throughput, as well as it's very secure because of the distinct cryptography and solutions that it provides.
We're excited about the possibility of building on Algorand because of its high layer 1 throughput. As a decentralized exchange, it's important that we have an underlying blockchain that allows us to settle transactions at a high speed and rate. It's also important that there be a lot of financial assets available, so we really appreciate Algorand's focus on courting different players from the financial industry.
This month, we will be transitioning our sidechain to Algorand. I can't wait to forego having to maintain our own homegrown sidechain, and I'm excited about the crucial transparency that ASA provide within our ecosystem. After moving our sidechain to Algorand, and now that smart contracts are available, we'll begin transitioning our own smart contracts and token from ERC20 to Algorand. This will provide a consistent user experience across our partner apps and connect it to our liquid assets, and also provide a much better cost structure for us.
When Algorand was announced, we were very excited about the potential of the technology. I obviously knew who Silvio Micali was. I have a PhD in computer science, and he's a legend in the world of cryptography. So we were very excited, and when we started working with them, they were still in the kind of foundational stage. They had the consensus protocol and the blockchain, but a lot of the tools that are required for a company like us to basically build all the infrastructure to manage securities on the blockchain were still not there. And we've been super impressed with the team and the amount of progress they've made in very little time. From providing support to issue tokens and smart contract language to be able for us to provide the rules, and atomic swaps on the blockchain for trading without counterparty risk, and a lot of the other infrastructure as required wallets, blockchain explorers, etc. So we're very happy with them. We already have customers. We're going to issue the first securities on Algorand very soon. So this is a very exciting partnership.
It's the Algorand Asia Accelerator program. I think it'll be great for anyone who's interested in Algorand to apply. Engaging with the community in our decentralized ecosystem is of vital importance. It is the only way you can build expertise, but you also need to interface with people who can actually give you expertise and advise you. And these accelerator programs are a great way to do that and to actually find actual traction within these chains to build something useful. So I hope this makes sense. And so I hope if you're an aspiring startup looking to build on Algorand, go do it. And then if we can help with node operations, feel free to ping us. And we're also always able to offer preferred rates to any new startups. We've been there ourselves. We know how hard it is to scale a company from scratch. So all the best, and let me know if we can help.
Don't forget to apply for the Algorand Asia Accelerator program, where you have a chance to win an investment from the Algorand Foundation to accelerate your development efforts.
To everyone at the Algorand Asia Accelerator program, you've chosen a fast and versatile chain to work on. And as you know, it takes not only the right stack to build a business on, but also the right partnership with the right people behind the technology. And with Algorand, with the Accelerator program, and the supportive ecosystem around Algorand, projects like yours, projects like ours get the detailed attention and support that we need from the strong network that's built around Algorand. And I find that this network is dedicated to its community of developers, and it's also dedicated to its own growth, and that's very important. So I hope this was helpful. Feel free to reach out to me anytime. My email is adi@propsfoundation.com, and I'll be happy to share more. Take care.
Recently, they approached me to participate in the Algorand Asia Blockchain Accelerator. I was very excited about being able to help other entrepreneurs, hopefully younger than me, that they want to start a career and do something meaningful, and hopefully I can help them with all my experience over 25 years doing projects and running companies, and help them build something meaningful in the Algorand ecosystem, and perhaps even something that we can actually use or we can partner with. So this is a very exciting opportunity, and I really look forward to participate.